Hi guys, so for this look I will be starting off with my Becca primer. This is honestly the best primer ever, especially if you have oily skin. It literally dries you out and your makeup stays all day. Like, I kid you not, this thing costs like $40, but it is so worth the price. Next I will be going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I always have to mix two shades together because I can never actually find my color, but I'm sure I'm not the only one with that struggle. So I basically just spread it out with my foundation brush to mix it together, and then I'm gonna later go in with my beauty blender. So I know, like, when I put it on, it always looks so light on me, like it doesn't match the rest of my body, but the foundation actually oxidizes down, so I don't worry about it too much once I'm done. Once that's done, I go in with my Sacha setting powder, and which is basically what's already on my face. And this thing works so well, and especially the fact that it's not white, so it blends better with my skin tone. My mascara that I'm using here is the Tarte mascara. I don't really have any specific mascara that I like using. Honestly, I just use whichever one I have, and that's just the one I had at the moment. Once that's done, I just get my powder brush and brush out the excess powder on my face. I don't usually do my bottom lashes with the mascara until after I'm done with my setting powder, because I use the time I used to put the mascara on to basically kind of bake for a little bit. And for my contour, I go in with this blush that I got from Sephora. I will put the name in the description box below, and the other contour kit is just some regular contour kit I got from TJ Maxx. So you can literally use any kind of like dark powder. I like to use powder because, again, I get super oily, so I don't want to be using all those creamy products, and the powder just works amazing. And now for my favorite part, which is the highlighter. It is by Mavel's Beauty. It's this Nigerian brand. I think it's been discontinued. I'm not sure, but I honestly can't go anywhere without my highlighter on. Even if I don't have on foundation, I'm putting on highlighter. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this brow mascara that I got from NYX. This is basically the extent of my eyebrows. When I do my makeup, I just put that on, I clean it up, and that's it. This is the finished look, guys. I don't really do the most With my lips, I'm just keeping it natural. I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner and some lip gloss and call it a day. So this lip gloss I'm using, I also got from NYX, and it is so cute. It's like a nude pink brown.